Happy Easter! It's a holiday, so we have to make something a little bit special. So I have decided to make ribeye steak sandwiches. Pretty easy, and it's kind of fancy. So let's get going. First step is have your ribeyes sit out for 45 minutes and have them coated with just pepper, no salt. Okay, while the steak is out, coming to room temp, let's make the mustard cream sauce. A tablespoon of mayonnaise, tablespoon of sour cream, a teaspoon of hot mustard, squeeze of lemon juice, dice an onion, take a handful of almonds and rough chop them. Go ahead and salt your steaks. I've scored the fat in the steaks. When you score the fat, which means cut through it a little bit, it makes the steak not curl up. Then over to a hot cast iron pan. Put your steaks in. You want that noise. Add in a whole clove of garlic. Add in a tablespoon of butter. Slice up some Gouda cheese really thin. Put your Gouda cheese on the bottom of a bun. And then into the oven at 350 for 5 minutes. Once you get really nice char marks, flip it over. Take fresh rosemary and put it in there. Then take your rosemary and garlic and paint on your steak. Okay, after about 6 minutes, take it off. In the same pan, add your onions. Let the onions get a really nice color. Take one of your steaks and start to slice it up. Okay, let's put this thing together. We got our bun, our mustard cream on the bottom and on the top. Garden mix, pieces of steak. Almonds. I forgot the onions. Add some of those onions on very top.